Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we have to find the value of ft using convolution, and we have given that this is f of s is equals to 4 divided with s square plus 2s plus 5 whole square. So this is for part A. Now we can assume that we have separate function gs. So gs is equals to, this is 2 divided with s square plus 2s plus 5, and this term can be written as 2 divided with s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Now we can write gt. So gt is equals to e to the power minus t multiplied with sine of 2t. Now fs. So here fs is simply multiplication. Say this is g of s is multiplied with itself, g of s. So we can say f of t is given by Laplace inverse of g of s is multiplied with g of s, which is equals to integration from the limit 0 to t, and this would be g of lambda multiplied with g of t minus lambda and d lambda. So here we have given f of t. So we can write f of t is equal to g of, say this would be here lambda. So this would be, we can write this term as g of lambda is equals to e to the power minus lambda and sine 2 lambda. We can put the value, say this would be integration from 0 to t, and this would be e to the power minus lambda and sine of 2 lambda. Here this would be sine of 2 lambda and g of t minus lambda. So that means e to the power minus t minus lambda, and this would be sine of 2, and this would be t minus lambda, and this is d lambda. Now when we solve this term, so using integration, we have the value of this term as f of t is equals to, this is 1 divided with 4, and e to the power minus t is multiplied with cos of 2t is multiplied with 1 minus e to the power minus 2t minus, this is e to the power minus t divided with 2, and cos of 2t is multiplied with, this is whole in multiplication, e to the power minus 2 lambda is divided with 4 plus 16, and this is multiplied with minus 2 cos 4 lambda and minus 4 sine 4 lambda, and here this is the limit which is upper and lower limit also. So upper limit is t and lower limit is 0, and here this would be minus, so this is minus e to the power minus t divided with 2 is multiplied with sine. So this is sine of 2t is multiplied with e to the power minus 2 lambda divided with 4 plus 16 is multiplied with minus 2 sine 4 lambda, and plus this would be 4 cos 4 lambda. And now we have to put the upper limit and lower limit here. So when we solve this term and we are taking the Laplace, so here we are getting the term, say which is f of t is equals to, by solving we are getting, this is e to the power minus t divided with 2 is multiplied with cos of 2t minus e to the power minus 3t divided with 4, and this is multiplied with cos of t, this is cos of 2t, and minus e to the power minus t divided with 20 and cos 2t plus e to the power minus 3t divided with 20, and this is cos of 2t is multiplied with cos of 4t, and plus e to the power minus 3t divided with 10 is multiplied with cos of 2t is multiplied with sin 4t and plus e to the power minus t divided with 10 is multiplied with sin of 2t plus e to the power minus t divided with 20 and sin 2t is multiplied with sin 4t and minus e to the power minus t divided with 10 and this is multiplied with sin of 2t is multiplied with cos of 4t. So, this is the solution for part A and now we have to do it for part B. So, part B we have given here. So, here is for part B. Part B we have given Fs is equals to 2s divided with s plus 1 is multiplied with s square plus 4. So, here we can assume two functions, say x s is equals to 2 divided with s plus 1 and y the function of s can be written as say s divided with s plus 4. So, this is s square plus 4 actually. So, s square plus 4. So, we can write x of t is equals to 2 e to the power minus t and ut, and here this term can be written as y the function of t can be written as cos of 2t multiplied with ut. Now, we know that say f of s is equals to x of s multiplied with y of s. So, Laplace inverse, or we can say f of t is given by Laplace inverse of x of s multiplied with y of s. So, when we do the multiplication, so we are getting, say this is equals to integration, say this would be integration from the limit 0 to t and this would be cos of 2 lambda is multiplied with 2 and e to the power minus t minus lambda is, this is t minus lambda and this is d lambda. Now, when we solve this term, so we are getting f of t. So, here f of t is equals to 2 divided with 5 cos 2t plus 4 divided with 5 sin of 2t. So, this is sin of 2t minus 2 divided with 5 e to the power minus t. So, this is the right answer for this problem.